how to turn on Find My Mobile on Samsung phone. So if you want to add an extra layer of security if your Samsung phone is lost or stolen, then here's how you can do this process. Well, so now to enable Find My Mobile, you just need to go and open up the settings app from your Samsung phone, and from the settings homepage, tap on your Samsung account. Go ahead and tap on this, and inside your Samsung account, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll get to see the option Find My Mobile. You can tap on this, and inside this one, you'll get to see the allow this phone to be found is currently turned off. So you have to just enable this feature, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Also, you just need to enable Send Lost Location, and also turn on this option offline finding. If you enable all this feature from here, and from now your Samsung phone is findable. And this is how you can enable Find My Mobile on Samsung phone. Hope you found this helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.